Hi, I'm Sue Young from Young Studio and Gallery with another quick pottery tip. So I do a certain amount of small castings that go on mugs, medallions we call them. And a quick, easy way to do these castings is to use these containers, these reusable food containers. You cut the bottom off. What's nice is the bottom is then handy for lots of things, like for a plant drain or something like that. And these can be reused over and over again. And what's nice is I can fit quite a few of them on there, whereas with the coddle boards, with this setup on my Formica board, I can only get like two of these setups with the so that's how these are how the coddle boards go. And I can only, as you can see, they take a lot of room, so I can usually only get 2, sometimes 3 if I'm really good about it. But with this, it's just a lot easier. And here's how I do it. So once you have your containers, and to anchor them on, I just take a coil of clay and just kind of push it around. Now this is, I don't know how thick that is. Way thicker than a pencil though. Depends on the size of your container. This is probably about roughly a 1/2 inch coil. And then once you have that on there, you can just place it where you want it on the board. So this is a Formica board. It was just a piece of leftover Formica laminate, and just laminated on a scrap piece of particle board or wafer board. And I've used this thing for probably 20 years. So now what's nice, you've got the anchored on the outside, it's anchored on the inside, and you've got your coil that you can use. Enough of that coil in there to smooth around. So there you go. And then I can place, once I put these on, then I can place my little castings in there. A lot of times I would place the casting first and then build the whole thing around it. But this way it's easier to smooth in all the edges without the thing in there. And then now I'll just place them in there. Just put a little slip here, slip on the back of the piece, get it anchored in there, and just take a brush and just clean the edge around the object, and then you're good to go for your casting. Thank you.